Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fairy hairstyle on Dress to Impress. Just ignore the baldness. I'm just going to select this hair and only bangs, and and no bangs, sorry. And I'm just going to color it blonde. Then I'm going to select this hair and I'm just going to also color that blonde. Then I'm going to get this hair in blonde as well, and this hair in bangs only, in blonde as well. And for the last step, we are going to go to the dressing rooms to get this one, or is it the Magical Girl hair set in only bangs too, and we're going to color that blonde as well, or you can color it to whatever color you want, but that is how you can create this cute fairy hair on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!